Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. It's me, Robert, and today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make a clicking simulator in Roblox Studio. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is insert a script in service and rename this to leaderstats. And I am going to paste all of the scripts in the description. It's like free scripts. So here I pasted the script. You don't need to write it or anything, don't worry. Okay, so now when we join, we should have, yep, here clicks, 0 clicks and 0 rebirths. Now when we go to players, me, your name here, and latest stats, we have a latest stats folder, and when we open it, we have clicks and rebirths. And if I give myself one rebirth, it changes that. So it's working how it should. Don't worry, guys. Okay, now what you're gonna do in started UI, insert a screen UI and rename it to click UI, and we are gonna duplicate that and rename this to rebirth rebirth UI rebirth UI. Now in the click UI, insert a text button. Now, with this text button, we are gonna set the size to 0, 100, uh, 0, 0, 100. So it's gonna set it to 100x100, and we're gonna put it right in the middle, right here. Okay, now we're gonna change the color to 0, 200, 255. Why isn't the color changing? Oh wait. Oops. Okay, now it's gonna set it to this beautiful blue. You can add a UI corner. Now this text button, rename it to click. Now here we're almost done. First, customize your text. I am not going to put an emoji. I'm not gonna put a text, I'm gonna put an emoji here. So, okay, boom, and we have this. We can click it. Now, this click button, in this click button, we're gonna add a local script. Okay, copy the script, and I'm going to put a greater sign here. And here I am going to put a less sign here. Now here we're gonna set this to 0 and this to 1. This we are gonna delete this bracket. Okay, now when we join the game, you are going to see, guys, that we get 1 click each time we click. So as you saw, this thing goes up, and in the leader stats folder, if I give myself 1 rebirth, I should get 2 clicks. Yep, it's working perfectly. Okay, now in the rebirth GUI, by the way, we are done for this. In the rebirth GUI, add a text button, and we're gonna set a color to the same. Okay, we can duplicate this UI corner, and okay, now Okay, now this this button we're gonna name it to one. Now you are gonna customize your text. Okay, and here for the local one, I think this is too big. Yep, it's too big, so we are gonna make it 40. This is good. Now here we're gonna add a frame. In the Rebirths UI we're gonna add a frame, and we're gonna size it. Just size it how you want. Okay, this is good. Let's see. Wait, guys, let me place this in the middle. Okay, ready. So I placed it in the middle. Mm, okay, guys, wait. Just place it how you want. Oh, I accidentally clicked play. Don't do that. Don't do my mistakes, guys. Okay, let's open this back. Now, this frame we're gonna rename it to rebirths. Okay, now what you're gonna do is we're gonna set the color to 0,200. I love this blue, that's why I'm putting this as the color. Oh, I missed an E. Rebirth frame. Okay, so now here we're gonna add a text label, but and we're gonna add a white corner into this. And here we're gonna have 0, and here we're gonna make this a bit darker. Okay, this is perfect. And first we're gonna rename this to title. For the colon here 255, 255. Okay, and here this is okay. Now here we have name. And here we're gonna add a oh no. In this frame we're gonna add a scrolling frame here, and we are going to make it bigger. Okay, perfect. Just like that. Here and here we're gonna add we're gonna copy this color, copy and paste it in here. Now we're gonna name this to secondary name. And in here we're gonna add a text button and a UI list layout. Okay, so now, what is a UI list layout, you might be asking, guys. A UI list layout is something that's like when you copy a button, when you insert a button in your UI list layout, when you duplicate the button, it's not going to set it in it, it's going to set it right under it for you. And this is so satisfying, so you can just do like, and it's automatically builds it for you. Okay, now, when this is a padding. A padding is when you change the padding, let's just say 0, 10. When you duplicate it, it's gonna set a little gap uh, between them, the buttons. And here, the horizontal alignment, you can set it to center, so it's gonna set it like this. You can insert a UI corner into this. I am going to copy the frame color, copy this out, and paste it. Now, first thing first, customize your text, the most important part. Okay, text scale, and here we're gonna say +1 rebirths cost 10 or 100 clicks. Okay, so now we are going to name this to someone. Oh, let's make a mistake. Okay, now we're gonna add a local script in this button, and I am going to copy this script and paste it in here. Add a less sign here, less sign, change this to 100, and add a greater sign here, change this to 100. Oh, so here what you're gonna do is I am going to delete this because it's too rude. And here you can add a some bonus, but first you can change this to 1, and if you want you can add a bonus. So here you can copy that, copy, then paste it in here and say success. Okay, now wait 1 second. Oh, I I always do mistakes, guys, so don't like me. Script.Parent.text is equals to the text that we have now. So it won't stay under forever like success and it won't go away. Now here we are gonna paste in this too. Okay, so perfect. Now we are gonna add a text button, and in here we are gonna size it to 0, 50, 0, 50. So we're gonna set it to 50x50, and I'm going to put it like that, just like that. And then here at a UI corner, you can change the corner radius to 0, 50. So it's gonna be a circle. And here we name this to close. And next scale. Oh, and change it to this, and here 0.5, and change the text to X. The text is X. What happened? Oh, here. Okay, now in the open button, you're gonna add a local script. I don't think I'm gonna paste the script in the description because it's a very short script. So script.Parent that not button one click colon connect function. Okay, now script.Parent that rebirth frame that visible is equals to true. You can write the script because it's so short. Don't be lazy, guys. You need to do some work in your life. Now here we're going to duplicate the script and add it in the close button. And we're going to change script.Parent that visible is equals to false. You don't need to add a rebirth frame here because it's detected because the parent is rebirth frame. So now we can close on this. Now we can make the rebirth frame invisible. Okay, so guys, now when we click, we get one click. And here, when we click the rebirth, it opens and we can, not enough clicks. We don't have enough clicks, so we don't get a rebirth. Now, when we get to 100 clicks, wait a minute, guys. Let me open my auto clicker. And here we're gonna say okay, now when we get to 100 clicks, we get success and we get one rebirth. I don't know why it shows not enough clicks, but we get 2 clicks now each time we click. So this works perfectly. So, oh, I did a mistake. It says kick. I don't know how it says. But we're gonna go to the secondary frame button 1. Yeah. SU success. Okay, now guys, that was enough for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.